AI is revolutionizing industries, from healthcare to self-driving cars, and investors who got in early made fortunes. But how do you start investing in AI without risking too much? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to invest in AI-driven businesses, even if you're a complete beginner. AI market growth predictions. The AI market is projected to hit $1.8 trillion by 2030. Companies like NVIDIA surged over 200% in 2023 thanks to AI. Best long-term AI investments: number 1, NVIDIA, NVDA, the AI hardware king. Why invest? Dominates AI chips, GPUs, used in data centers, self-driving cars, and generative AI like ChatGPT. Revenue from AI data centers grew over 400% YoY 2023. Key partnerships with Microsoft, OpenAI, and Tesla. AI revenue streams: data center GPUs, A100, H100 for AI training, autonomous driving, NVIDIA Drive, AI software, CUDA platform. Long-term outlook: Meta, Google, Amazon all rely on NVIDIA's chips. Demand won't slow soon. 2. Microsoft MSFT, AI plus cloud powerhouse. Why invest? Major investor in OpenAI, ChatGPT, DALL-E. Integrates AI into Azure, Office 365, GitHub Copilot. Cloud revenue: Azure AI grew 29% YoY Q2 2024. AI revenue streams: Azure AI Services Copilot, AI for Word, Excel, Teams. OpenAI integrations. Long-term outlook: enterprise AI adoption, Sakram recurring revenue. Number 3. Alphabet, Google, AI search and cloud leader. Why invest? Google DeepMind, Gemini AI rivals OpenAI. AI-powered Google search, ads, and cloud. YouTube uses AI for recommendations and ad targeting. AI revenue streams: Google Ads, AI-optimized, Google Cloud AI tools, self-driving, Waymo. Long-term outlook: AI will defend Google's ad dominance. 4. AMD, NVIDIA's rising competitor. Why invest? New MI300X AI chips compete with NVIDIA. Cheaper alternative for AI data centers. Partnerships with Meta, Microsoft. AI revenue streams: data center GPUs, MI300 series, AI processors for laptops, PCs. Long-term outlook: if NVIDIA faces supply issues, AMD gains market share. Number 5. Tesla, TSLA, AI plus robotics play. Why invest? Dojo supercomputer trains self-driving AI. Optimus robot, AI-powered humanoid bot. Full self-driving, FSD software, future profit engine. AI revenue streams: FSD subscriptions, robotaxi network, future. Optimus robot sales. Long-term outlook: if Tesla solves autonomy, stock could 10x. Which of these AI stocks are you most bullish on? Let me know below.